Hey guys, if your Vivint thermostat is showing offline in the Vivint app or smart hub, even though it's mounted on the wall, you're in the right place. This issue usually happens because the thermostat has lost communication with the Vivint smart hub. The smart hub isn't connected to the internet. The thermostat recently restarted after a power interruption, or the wireless signal has become too weak. In some cases, outdated firmware or changes to your home network can also cause the thermostat to appear offline. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So, let's get started. Make sure the Vivint Smart Hub is online and connected to the internet. 2. Restart the thermostat and allow it a few minutes to reconnect. 3. Move any signal blocking devices away from the thermostat if possible. 4. Update the thermostat firmware through the Vivint system if an update is available. 5. Remove the thermostat from the Vivint app and pair it again if it remains offline.